Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In this video, I will show you how to enable God Mode in Windows 11, which gives you access to all advanced system settings in one place. Let's begin step by step. First, go to your desktop screen. Make sure you are on an empty area of the desktop, then right-click. From the menu, click on New, and then select Folder. A new folder will appear on your desktop with the default name New Folder. Now we need to rename this folder. Carefully paste the following name exactly as it is. You can copy this name from the description of this video. Make sure there are no extra spaces. Now press Enter. As soon as you press Enter, you will notice that the folder icon changes automatically to a control panel icon. This means God Mode has been activated. Now double-click this folder to open it. Inside, you will see a long list of advanced settings such as System Tools, Network Settings, Administrative Tools, and more. You can scroll through and open any setting directly from here. This saves time because you don't need to search for options individually. And that's how you enable God Mode in Windows 11.